In order to create a Canvas account, you will need your child to log into their Clever portal. Students access Canvas through their Clever portal. When you arrive at your student's account, you will have a dashboard similar to this. Click on the word Account, follow to Settings. In Settings, you'll see Pair with Observer. The parent is the observer. Click on Pair with Observer, and you will get a 6-digit pairing code. Copy that code. Return to the Providence School's website, and in the upper right corner, click on Canvas. Click Need a Canvas account. There, you will find a video, as well as 3 buttons. I'm a teacher, I'm a student, or parents sign up here. Parents, please click Parents sign up here. There, you will put your name, your email, create a password, place the 6-digit pairing code, click I am not a robot, and then click Start participating.